Getting started with meme coin trading and with the AXIOM platform, which is the most popular trading bot, completely from scratch can be a bit overwhelming, but there are so many opportunities in this space, so it's definitely worth learning about if you want to make some good money in 2026. So today I'm going to show you from scratch how you can get started with meme coin trading on AXIOM. So let's just dive straight into it. This is what the AXIOM platform looks like. I'm going to talk you through it step by step so you know everything that you need to know. The first thing you obviously need to do is sign up. You can do that with the link down below, because with that link you also get less fees on the AXIOM platform, which over time will save you a lot of money. Once that is done, the first safety precaution you should take is to head over to your portfolio section. Here you will be able to see your wallet and you will be able to create new wallets. But with the initial wallet that AXIOM gives you when you sign up, what you want to do is head over to this export private keys button, click onto it and copy your private key. Make sure to not share it with anyone, store it safely, because this key gives access to your wallet. But what you then want to go ahead and do is download Phantom Wallet, which is the biggest crypto wallet in the Solana space. If you click on add account and import private key, paste your private key in there, and your AXIOM wallet will also be in your Phantom wallet. That way, if anything happens with the AXIOM platform, you still have access to your wallet and your money. And when you're getting started, you obviously need to fund your account with some Solana. So if you click in the top right corner, you're able to copy your primary Sol address right here, and then you can send some Solana to that address via any crypto exchange of your choice. But that's everything you need to do for the initial setup. When it comes to the platform, this is what it looks like. So under Discover, you have trending tokens, you have top tokens, you have tokens that are surging. The surge section is basically just an algorithm that keeps track of volume surging, market cap surging, if certain tokens are attracting loads of traders. And if the algorithm finds a token that is reaching some of these metrics, then it will be added under the search section. But where you will probably spend most of your time is under Pulse. This is what we call the trenches. This is where you can see all new meme coin pairs launching, as well as final stretch, meaning they're about to migrate. You have quick buy options. You can snipe tokens that are about to migrate. And you also see all tokens who have already migrated. And if you click onto any of these tokens, this is what it will look like. So here you will see the actual chart of the token. At the bottom, you have all of the top traders, which are the ones who have made the most money on these tokens. You can then go ahead and click on to any of these wallets and see their performance. You can see everything they are trading, get all of the insight you might need. And if you find a wallet who is performing super well, you can then go ahead and save that wallet. There you go. And you are now tracking this wallet, and he will show up on top of the chart. So all the wallets you are tracking who are trading this token will actually show up right here. Then you can see all of the token holders. You can see all of the active trades being put on this token. On the right hand side, you have your volume metrics. At the top, you have some more token information like the market cap. And then right here on the right hand side, you have the buy and sell options. So here you can easily buy any token. For example, if I want to buy this one, there you go. It has been bought. And then you can do the same when it comes to selling the token. You can also put limit orders on the token. If we scroll down, you have some more token information, like how much supply the top 10 holders are holding. But a quicker way to trade these tokens is using this instant trade panel. Click on this instant trade panel, this will show up. So these are instant buys. So as soon as I click any of these buttons, you'll instantly buy or sell the token. You can obviously adjust these amounts to your own liking based on how much you are trading with. Just click on edit preset settings and you can adjust these. For example, if I want to sell this token I just bought, you just click sell 100%. And there you go, it has now been sold. And then at the bottom, you will see your P&L. Now in the bottom left corner, you also have something called preset settings. And here you can adjust your slippage, your priority fee, and your bribe, which might decide how fast your transaction executes or your order executes. Slippage is basically the percent difference of how much higher or lower you're willing to execute an order compared to when you actually clicked buy or sell. Because on low liquid pairs, if you make a huge transaction, that transaction might pump the price a lot. And in this case, if it pumps the price more than 20%, that transaction will not go through, because obviously it's hard to trade with accurate numbers if your entry is 30% higher than you originally anticipated. But normally it obviously is way less than this. It's just the max limit, so I like keeping it at 20% for my trading. So this token might have actually been a decent trade if I didn't sell it. As an example for the video, I obviously didn't buy too much either, but it's up like 50% since my original purchase. But anyway, if we head back to the polls section, there is a lot of trash out there these days. You don't want to buy into scams, you don't want to buy into tokens no one else is trading. So you do have these filters where you can, for example, decide which protocols to show. If you only want tokens launched on Pump Fund, for example, you can choose that. You then have some audit metrics. So in this case, for new pairs, I have put a minimum amount of 5 holders. I don't want to trade anything that has less than 5 holders. Under metrics, for example, I have a minimum of 3,000 in volume and 5,500 in market cap, because I don't want to trade tokens that has no volume. Same with final stretch, I have a bit higher volume, 7,000 and 6,000 in market cap. And for migrated tokens, I only want to trade something that has a lot of volume, so minimum 50,000 and minimum 25,000 in market cap. But you can obviously adjust these filters to your own liking. This is just a good way to get rid of the absolute garbage which is out there in these meme coin trenches these days. And then if you head on to trackers, you can see all of the wallets you are currently tracking. I obviously showed you how you can save and track wallets earlier. If you click onto trades, you can see all of the trades that your tracked wallets are trading. On the right hand side, you have a Twitter tracker, and these things, if you want to, you can also pull up on top of the actual charts. At the bottom, you have this Twitter option, so you can pin that to the left hand side if you want it open. Same goes with your tracked wallets right here. And then Axiom does actually also have perpetual trading integrated into the platform. So here you can trade all sorts of crypto pairs on leverage. For example, Solana up to 20x leverage, Bitcoin up to 40x leverage. They do also have yield where you can stake your Solana. So if you have a lot of Solana just laying around, you might as well stake it and earn 6.37% APY. Under Vision, they have a lot of very good performing wallets. So this is a great way to find wallets to track and see what they are trading to get some additional insights. Then you have your portfolio, your wallets, your perpetual trading. And those are basically all the basics of the Axiom platform, how to use it and how to get started for yourself. I really think meme coins can come back really strongly in 2026, especially if it is a good year for crypto, which I personally think it will be. I think we have some really good months ahead of us. So hopefully this video was valuable. Hopefully you learned something. If you have any questions, do let me know down below in the comment section. You can also join my Telegram down below in the description and ask me in there. Again, if you are going to check out Axiom, make sure to use the link down below to get 10% less fees on their platform. Drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. And with that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.